Based on a full range of observations and testing, we are confident that all issues have been fully addressed. We have provided that assurance to the Minister. Effective today, the CFIA has reinstated the facility's operating license. While we're confident that all food safety controls are being implemented appropriately, we will take the added precaution of maintaining enhanced inspection at the Excel Foods Incorporated plant for the foreseeable future. Enhanced inspection will remain in place until we're completely confident that the company's food safety measures are being implemented consistently as they should under normal procedures. Canada's food safety system remains among the best in the world, but events such as this underscore the need for continuous review. That's why the CFIA will be convening its expert advisory committee to conduct a thorough review of all events and circumstances related to the Excel Foods Incorporated investigation.